Hi, I'm Jay Crone, Senior Director in EMC's Consumer and Small Business Products Division here at EMC World 2011 in the Iomega booth to give you a high-level overview of what we've got going here today. First thing I want to point out is the theme of everything in the booth is small is the new big. The whole point here is you can spend a small amount of money or make an economical purchase and get all the features that you expect from a big or enterprise type array. I'm going to start down at the other end of the booth where we're showing one of our two cloud-based applications, which of course is a very hot topic here at EMC World, where cloud meets big data. What we're showing down at that end of the booth are two different video surveillance applications. We have our own native application, which is basically like a digital video recorder in a box, really ideal for example, branch offices of a franchise location or a small business. And then the really exciting application we're showing is based on the Access Video Hosting System, which is a cloud-based application for managing a video surveillance application and storing the video surveillance data. So what we've got going over there is some high-definition access video cameras that are storing the high-definition video locally on the Iomega iX2 and then streaming it to a data center, streaming it off to the cloud where it can be stored off-site and then managed through the application. And this application is really cool. It's right at the cutting edge because it includes clients for your BlackBerry, for your Android phone, and your iPhone, so you can take advantage of the cloud anywhere you might happen to be. In the middle of the booth is really the centerpiece of what we're showing here today. It's our cloud solution station. It's also featuring our PX4 and PX6 desktop storage arrays, which were just announced last week. In addition to extremely high performance, dual core Intel processors, 2 gigabytes of memory, 2 1 gigabit Ethernet ports. These devices, which start at under $800 US, support solid state flash disk drives, just like the big EMC systems I mentioned in the introduction. And also these feature the cloud edition of our operating system, which includes links to the Mozy backup service, Amazon S3, and Facebook, Flickr, and YouTube, in addition to our industry-leading patent-pending or patent-applied-for Iomega personal cloud technology, which basically allows small business users to set up a virtual private network to take advantage of all the replication and networking features that are part of the Iomega storage devices. And finally, over here, we have our data center in a box where we're featuring the real big system type features. One of the things I want to point out is our integration with EMC's Avamar backup product. This integration was announced by Avamar as part of their version 6 announcement, which occurred about 2 weeks ago. So the Iomega iX12 is the only EMC storage product which natively runs the Avamar source-based deduplication code and then backs up to an Avamar data store. So that's one of the things that's been really exciting here at the show. We're also showing a lot of our virtualization support. What we have running here in the rack, we have 72 terabytes of storage and 6 different Intel-based servers, including one of the new Cisco UCS C200 servers. We're running a combination of a VMware cluster and a Hyper-V cluster, showing a number of different applications. And finally, one of the really big enterprise features that we're demoing here as a technology demo is integration with EMC's Unisphere management application. So a customer, for example, a big enterprise customer with branch offices, can manage both their VNX family storage arrays and the Iomega storage arrays from a single pane of glass. So this is really the quick wrap up on how you can get those big system, big enterprise features for a small economical price right here from Iomega.